Schluter KERDI-BOARD is a multifunctional tile substrate and building panel that gives tile setters more control over their projects by providing them with the means to simply and easily create ideal substrates for tile. KERDI-BOARD can be used to create a tiled corner shelf within a shower. To finish the face of the shelf, there are many options available using Schluter Profiles. To begin, select the panel thickness according to the size and expected stresses of the project. Please refer to the KERDI-BOARD technical data sheet for more information on choosing the panel thickness suitable for your application. In this example, we will be using a 1-inch thick panel. This is sufficient to support the expected shower accessories and can be elegantly finished with the Schluter Rondeck CT profile. While KERDI-BOARD can be cut with a utility knife, in this application we will be using a jigsaw to ensure precise cuts. Dry fit the shelf into place to ensure a proper fit is achieved. Adjust if required. Begin the installation process by determining the desired shelf elevation and mark with a level line. You may want to consider the wall tile layout and position the shelf to help make any cuts to the adjacent tiles as simple as possible. The shelf can be prepared and finished with tile and profiles beforehand for a quick and simple installation. Prior to tiling the shelf, we seal the joints and corners of the KERDI-BOARD with KERDI-BAND waterproofing strips, since the shelf will be installed in a wet area. The KERDI-BAND must overlap the edges by at least 2 inches. The face of the shelf can be finished in a number of ways using Schluter Profiles. The KERDI-BOARD ZA brushed stainless steel U profile can be used in combination with matching Schluter Rondeck or Schluter Quadeck profiles. Another option is to use the Rondeck or Quadeck profiles but finish the face with tile. We will be using the Schluter Rondeck CT profile in this installation. It provides a rounded edge on the top and bottom and a recessed section to which tile is bonded on the face of the shelf. The Rondeck CT and tiles are installed using unmodified thin-set mortar. Using the 1-inch thick KERDI-BOARD and 3/8 inch thick tile produces a flush transition between the tile on the underside of the shelf and the profile. Set the wall tile up to the level line. Depending on the shelf placement, you may need to cut adjacent tiles to fit. Apply thin-set mortar to the area where the shelf is to be placed. Butter the sides of the shelf with unmodified thin-set mortar and solidly embed it onto the wall, resting on the previously installed tile. Align with spacers or wedges. The shelf may be raised at the back to create a slope, or the tile may be set on a slope during installation to prevent water from pooling in the finished application. A brace may be needed to hold the shelf into place until the thin-set mortar sets. Continue setting the remaining wall tile. KERDI-BOARD gives tile setters more control over their projects by providing them with the means to simply and easily create ideal substrates for tile.